In this complete guide, you'll learn exactly how to export your data from ClickUp. Whether you need a reliable backup of your workspace, want to crunch your task data in Excel or Google Sheets, or simply need to share project information with someone outside your team, ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management platforms available today. And knowing how to get your data out of it cleanly and correctly is an essential skill for any serious user. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And with that, let's get straight into it. Before you do anything else, open ClickUp and sign into your account. This might seem obvious, but it is worth pointing out that you need to be signed in to the specific account that has access to the workspace you want to export. If you manage multiple workspaces or log in under different email addresses, double-check the avatar in the lower left corner of the screen to confirm you are in the right one. Starting from the correct account saves you from exporting the wrong dataset and realizing it only after you have already opened the file. Once you are in, the next step is to open the settings menu. You do this by clicking your profile avatar in the lower left corner of the screen, that small circular icon that typically shows your initials or profile photo. A menu will appear, and from there you want to select Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Imports and Exports. This is ClickUp's dedicated hub for moving data in and out of your workspace, and it keeps the export tools neatly separated from the general account preferences so things do not get cluttered. Now you are ready to start the actual export. Inside the Imports and Exports section, click the Export button. At this point, ClickUp will ask you to choose the type of data you want to export. This is an important decision. ClickUp can surface different data categories depending on your plan and your permissions, so take a moment to read through the options carefully rather than just clicking through. You will also be asked to select a format. For most purposes, CSV is the format you want to choose. It stands for comma-separated values, and it is a universal format that opens cleanly in Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, LibreOffice Calc, and virtually every other spreadsheet application. If you intend to archive the data for long-term storage rather than editing it, CSV still works perfectly well. The next step is to configure your export options, and this is where a lot of people rush and then wonder later why something is missing. You will be prompted to select which workspace or portion of your data to include in the export. Review every available setting on this screen before moving on. Some plans allow you to choose specific spaces, folders, or lists rather than exporting everything at once, which can be useful if you only need a subset of your project data. Confirm that your selections genuinely reflect what you need. A common mistake is leaving the scope too broad and ending up with a massive file that is difficult to navigate, or leaving it too narrow and missing tasks you actually needed. Read through everything once, then read through it again. When you are satisfied with your configuration, click the Export button to generate the file. ClickUp will now begin preparing your data, and depending on the size of your workspace, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Do not close the window or navigate away from this page while the process is running. ClickUp is compiling your tasks, custom fields, assignees, due dates, priorities, statuses, and other metadata into a structured file, and interrupting that process can result in an incomplete or corrupted export. Just give it a moment and let it finish on its own. Once the export is complete, ClickUp will prompt you to download the file. Click the download link or button and choose where on your computer you want to save it. A dedicated folder for ClickUp exports, perhaps organized by date, is a good habit to build. It keeps your backups easy to find 6 months from now when you need to refer back to them. After saving, open the file immediately and take a minute to verify that the data looks correct. Scan for the columns you expected, spot check a few task names or due dates against what you know is in your workspace, and make sure nothing appears cut off or garbled. Discovering a problem now, while the export settings are still fresh in your mind, is far easier than discovering it 3 weeks later when you actually need the data. A few expert tips before you go. First, make exporting a regular habit rather than a one-off event. Scheduling a monthly or quarterly export of your workspace data gives you a meaningful safety net in case anything ever goes wrong. An accidental deletion, a plan change, or a permissions issue can otherwise lock you out of your own project history. Second, always verify your export settings before you click that final button, especially when you are running this process for the first time on a new workspace. It is the single most common source of incomplete exports. Third, keep in mind that exporting workspace data is typically a permission that is restricted to admins or owners. So if the export option appears grayed out or is missing entirely, you will need to speak to whoever manages your team's ClickUp account. And that is everything you need to know about exporting data from ClickUp. You have navigated to the right settings menu, configured your export correctly, generated the file, and verified that your data came out exactly as expected. That exported CSV is now yours to back up, analyze, or share however you need. Save this video so you can come back to these steps anytime you run an export, and I will see you in the next one.